Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can download Among Us on PC for free. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for BlueStacks. Open the official BlueStacks website and you will be sent to this webpage. Here, download the software by clicking on the blue download button and wait for the downloading to complete. BlueStacks is a really great software. If you are trying to run Android apps like Among Us on your PC or laptop, once it is downloaded, go to the download section, click on it, run it, and then install it on your PC. Once it is installed completely, open it up, and you will be redirected to this page. Here, go to the search bar and then search for Among Us inside it. After that, open it up and click on Install. Once the game has been installed, then it will ask you to sign in your Play Store account. Simply sign into your account and you will be able to play the game. So that's basically how you can download Among Us on PC for free. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.